Hey, beautiful people. And I am live. And I'm going to show you this beautiful place where I am in. And sorry that I'm 10 minutes or rather 14 minutes delayed for this live. For this place is so enchanting and so beautiful. I am in this awesome, super beautiful place in Bali, and it is so mesmerizing. It is so nurturing for my body and me. It's right amidst the forest. And can you see the greens? And I'm going to show you this beauty tomorrow morning because we have just arrived here. The place is truly beyond words, as you can see. Look at this pool. And what do we do when we are at such a place? How can we receive the more sky, the dark sky and the greens around this? And the beauty of this place is 100 times, 1,000 many folds when you see in the morning. So how do you how do you I'm going to use the word behave when you are in nature, when you are in the woods, when you are in the forest? Well, be like them. So how can we receive the most, derive the most when you are in nature? Well, I think the best way, first thing to start with that is to receive the most from the nature is disconnect with your gadgets. So here I am. I'm not going to touch my gadget now, only maybe once a day, just so that I can connect with you guys and make some reels and probably go live. Otherwise, not really being there, because this place is so much. This place is so filled with those amazing energies that you and your body requires. So when you are being here, and if you are busy on your gadgets, say your phones or your tablets, your iPads, you are not truly in connection with the nature, communion with the nature, and there is no limit to what nature can contribute and offer to you. But to have that true communion, first you have to commune with you. First you have to really settle down. Actually, like I've said in one of the previous reels, shut down, shut out from all the noises in the outside, all the noises that are external. And then when you connect with the place, and you don't have to really, it's not rocket science, it's just very simple. Okay, body, show me how can I connect with this place and receive the most and gift that I can, that this place is looking to receive from me. So when you are in such a place, the open places, the nature, it's a two-way. It's always a two-way. The gifting and receiving is simultaneously. It's not giving and taking, but gifting and receiving. You gift what you would like to gift, and that you have your kindness, your loving, caring energy to the nature, and then you receive the same from nature. And you will know the difference when you do the same thing. The exchange of those energies with humans would be very different. When you do that exchange of energies, loving, kind, caring, nurturing, healing, orgasmic energies, when you do it with nature, it's altogether a different ball game. You know why? Because the trees don't judge you, the water streams don't judge you, the animals, the birds that I will see tomorrow morning, they don't judge you. So, and they don't have barriers. So when you receive from them, there is absolutely free receiving. By free, I mean free flowing receiving. Because nature doesn't have any barriers, doesn't have any thinking mind, doesn't have any judgmental mind, unlike humans. So when you're being in nature and you want to have the most and the best, this is the place to have the best. This is the best way to connect with your inner self. So here I am. I was in the transit, and I knew I was going to be like 10 to 15 minutes delayed for my life. Yet I wanted to make it here, and here we are. I'm so out of words right now because I'm at such a place and there is so much that this place can offer. So for now, I'm just gonna sign off, say bye bye to you all. Have a blissful, beautiful Monday tomorrow. Enjoy the start of your week tomorrow. And please remember, anytime when you feel stressful, anxious, not in your calm, peaceful element, go to some place which has lot of trees. Go to some place which has lot of nature element. It could be a garden next to next to your vicinity, wherever it is. Just go there and be there for a little while and you will see the change. If not that, you can just connect in your house in some isolation, connect with any forest that you have ever been in the past, but you have a memory of it. So when you have a memory of it, energetically you can connect any time to such expansive places which has so much to offer to you. Can you hear, can you feel that breeze? Oh wow, this is marvelous. The sound of this breeze. And so I really don't want to be on my phone, and I am gonna say bye-bye. Enjoy the start of your week tomorrow. Have a blissful, beautiful Monday, and I will see you next Sunday for CB2LL. Another call, the gift call that we do 9:30 p.m. every Sunday. Bye-bye.